How to make Keto Breakfast Egg Wrap? Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 12-ounce chicken sausage, 8 large eggs, 2 medium avocado, 8 tablespoons cream cheese, softened, 1 medium jalapeno pepper, diced, 4 teaspoons butter, salt and pepper to taste. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. Cook the chicken sausages in a frying pan, then cover them with aluminum foil to keep them warm. 2. In a large bowl, crack the eggs. Season with salt and pepper. 3. Beat the eggs with a whisk. 4. In a non-stick frying pan over medium heat, add the butter, then add the whisked eggs. Let cook for 2 to 3 minutes. 5. Then flip over carefully and let the other side cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Slide the egg wrap off the frying pan and onto a plate. 6. Mash up the avocado and spread it across the egg wrap. Then spread the cream cheese on top of that. Top with the diced jalapenos. 7. Unwrap the chicken sausages. 8. Place the chicken sausage on top of the avocado, jalapeno, and cream cheese. 9. Roll up the egg wrap by folding it in the sides and then folding it around the sausage. 10. Serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of Keto Breakfast Egg Wrap. Each serving comes out to be 609 calories, 46.9 grams fat, 3.8 grams net carbs, and 37.8 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Please kindly do like this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you.